Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. And as promised dun sa last vlog namin, the previous one, we will be covering up the Sea Life Aqua Adventure Park in Legoland, Malaysia. So FYI lang po, ang disclaimer, hindi po ako expert pero nabasa ko lang itong aking sasabihin ngayon about Legoland, Malaysia based on research natin sa Google, diba? O, diba? Sa Google tayo nagbe-base sa lahat, guys. So Sea Life in Legoland, Malaysia Resort, as it features more than 13,000 fishes and 120 marine species within its astonishing 11 habitat zones. Sea Life Malaysia is also a good place where children can experience and interact with marine creatures. Sea Life Malaysia features its largest tank with over 400,000 liters of water, where every guest can watch sharks, rays, and other sea creatures swimming around the biggest habitat zone in the aquarium. So ayun nga po and making a day trip to Sea Life Malaysia would be fun and exciting for you and your family. Yung admission po doon sa Sea Life Malaysia is available for all age groups. And for admissions about sa tickets, ganoon, meron sila on site sa kanilang mga ticketing booths doon sa Sea Life Adventure mismo doon sa Legoland, Malaysia. And then, meron din sila sa Klook, meron sila sa ibang websites. Basta tingnan nyo lang po, i-search nyo sa Google kung paano yung admission or registration. Pwede kayo kumuha ng tickets online. So, ayun. And I suggest guys, it's better na talagang magsuot kayo ng yung komportableng damit if you wanna go there. Kasi sa magsuot kayo ng mga high heels, it's better yung mga flats or yung mga yung pang walking shoes, ganun ang suotin niyo, or Crocs. Kami ang ginamit talaga namin nun, yung Crocs lang at saka yung sandal ng baby ko kasi nga lang siya. Plano din kasi namin mag-wet adventure. So para komportable lang tapos easy go, 'di ba? And kung gusto naming magbasa ng paa, at least ready na. So ayun, since ready na nga tayo, let's go!